Welcome to Learn English Through Story. Today, we're following Anna, a girl who loves adventures, on a special day. Anna has a key, a very important key. But something exciting is about to happen. What will she do? What will she find? Let's dive into the story together. Are you ready? Let's start. Anna is at home on a bright Saturday morning. She's holding a small, shiny key in her hand. This key opens my treasure box, she says to herself. The treasure box is old and wooden, and inside it, Anna keeps her favorite things: a blue necklace, a tiny book, and a picture of her family. She puts the key in her pocket and decides to go outside. I'll ride my bike to the market today, Anna says with a smile. She grabs her backpack, puts on her red shoes, and walks to the door. Anna rides her bike down the street. The wind feels cool on her face, and the sun shines brightly. She passes a big tree, a small bridge, and a noisy dog barking at her. "Hello, dog!" Anna laughs as she waves. When she arrives at the market, it's busy. People are buying fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Anna parks her bike and walks to a fruit stand. "I'd like 3 apples, please," she says to the seller. The man smiles and hands her the apples. Anna reaches into her pocket to pay, but she freezes. "Oh no! Where's my key?" she whispers. "The key is gone." Anna looks around in a panic. Did I drop it on the street? Or maybe by the bridge? She wonders. She checks her backpack. Nothing. She looks under the fruit stand. Still nothing. "I have to find that key," Anna says, feeling worried. She thanks the seller, puts the apples in her bag, and starts walking back along the path she came from. First, she stops at the bridge. The water below is clear, but there's no key on the ground. Next, she looks near the big tree. She sees leaves, rocks, and a squirrel, but no shiny key. Anna sighs. "This is harder than I thought," she says. Just then, she hears a bark. It's the noisy dog from earlier. The dog is running toward her, wagging its tail. Anna bends down. "Hi, little friend. Did you see my key?" she asks, half joking. To her surprise, the dog barks again and runs to a bush. Anna follows it and looks closely. There, in the grass under the bush, is her shiny key. "You found it!" Anna shouts happily. She picks up the key and pats the dog's head. "Thank you. You're so smart," she says. The dog wags its tail even faster. Anna rides her bike home, holding the key tightly in her hand this time. When she gets back, she runs to her room and opens the treasure box. Everything is still there: the necklace, the book, and the picture. She smiles and closes the box. "What a crazy day," Anna says to herself. "I lost my key, but I made a new friend." She looks out the window and sees the sun setting. "Maybe tomorrow I'll bring a treat for that dog," she decides. That's the end of Anna's adventure in Learn English Through Story. Anna lost her key, searched everywhere, and found it with the help of a clever dog. She learned to be careful and made a new friend along the way. Did you enjoy the story? Let's practice some new words you heard today: key, treasure, bike, market, apples, bridge, dog, bush, and treat. Try using them in your own sentences. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you next time. Goodbye.